Make them go sleep. Prevent them from holding party primaries. Restrain INEC from recognizing or dealing with them unless they complied with the constitutional requirement. 7. What did the judge decide at the end of the day? Justice Peter Lifu dismissed the preliminary objections filed by the defendant, by the parties. The judge held that the affected parties failed to satisfy the constitutional requirements relied upon in the suit. He consequently ordered INEC to deregister ADC, deregister APP, deregister AA, deregister Accord Party, deregister ZLP. The court also directed that the parties should not participate in subsequent elections, including the 2027 general elections. 8. Who is affected? In case you don't know, the judgment directly affects ADC, APP, AA, AP, ZLP. It also affects party leaders, party members, party executives, aspirants intending to contest elections in those platforms, including Atiku and Ademola Adeleke. Candidates seeking elective offices under those parties are also affected. What's next for these parties or these people? The affected parties normally may appeal the judgment. Possible next steps include filing an appeal at the Court of Appeal, seeking a stay of execution, proceeding to the Supreme Court if necessary. Until the appellate process is concluded, further legal developments remain possible. What are the implications of this judgment? 5 political parties could lose their legal status to be involved in any election in Nigeria. Their candidates may be unable to contest future elections under those platforms where Obido escaped. Coalition arrangements involving those parties could be disrupted. Politicians associated with the affected parties may have to seek alternative political platforms if there is still window to jump ship, which I'm not sure. The judgment could significantly reshape preparations for the 2027 general elections if the judgment is upheld at the appeal court. People don't criticize this. Like this person, Dare Akiniyi, said the so-called deregistration of the African Democratic Congress, along with other parties by Justice Peter Lifu, may yet be the biggest manifestation of Tinubu's air-bent bid to undermine the opposition and entrench a de facto one-party state. The judgment is the height of judicial rascality. The Court of Appeal, presided over by Justice Mohammed A. Dajuma, Adebukola A. Banjonko, Ayeyoju O. Ayewumi, had in appeal this number and suit this number ordered Justice Peter Lifu to stay further action on the matter until the hearing and determination of the appeal before it, because they actually asked him to stop. The defendants of that lawsuit went to the appeal court, say they tell the judgment to say they don't trust the process for that court. They actually asked him to stop. That's what this guy is saying. It's alleged. Okay? The hearing for the appeal was scheduled for the 27th of October 2026. That order was dated 22nd of May 2026. Nigerians and the international community can see the level of desperation of the government of the ruling party to either have their way in the 2027 elections or destroy our democracy that was purchased at a huge cost. Paul Ibe Naim right hand. You may not like ADC, not like the parties, but the point is that even though say you catch a thief, we agree this might be the law. It did there, but the process where you take acquire the judgment, there's error already, because a superior court to the Federal High Court, which is the appeal court, don't tell una say look una stop. That is the process. You not stop, you bullshit them, gave out judgment. This guy supported waiting talk with this document and this part of the judgment from the appeal court. See, they tell this person to stop. So people can say the judge get as a B. Now say make I Google the judge's name. Make I show you what I see. This is from TVC. I can Google his name now. River State Cases. NJC, National Judicial Council, dismisses $1 million bulletproof car land gift allegations against Justice Lifu. If you go read the body, just few parts. Petition by Mr. Douglas W. Chukwu, the Secretary of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, against Honorable Justice Lifu, was discountenanced as the petitioner, person where petition NJC, who had earlier indicated interest to participate in the hearing of this petition, failed, neglected, and refused to appear before the committee. Now, if petition say this man collected bulletproof $1 million landed property where they take inflation concerning river case matter, say me the disciplinary, they say no call appear. So make I give una that one. Now I know what I want to do with that information. For matter for River State that time. Now I know what I want to do with the information. People know the talk on internet. Anyway, Atiku and Ademola Adeleke, if you know wrong for 2027, so we see them. What I believe is say, they hear Atiku as a northerner. Say, NDC, remember say, one man, don't also carry them go cost me the register. Say, the process where they take register around, you know, the pure. That one he see come up. The point be say, person where get almost all the governors, they say is reform the work. It help Nigeria. They say it gets city boy movement. It donate rice. They say it's the best. They say they don't feel defeated for election. They say it has never lost any election. They don't feel defeated. It be all these things. Calling. What will be this thing? More now put up comment section. Anyway, with big grace too much. He escaped ADC. Again, no say they get two people where they quarrel for River State. Two political godfathers. One say na me big pass. The other one say na me big pass. The other one say I be former governor. This one say I be former governor. 8 years. I be minister. This one say I be minister before. Okay? This one say na him get rivers. This one say na me get rivers. Now they want add something to somebody's list of achievement as VP. Another person never be VP. Let's say the anger still dey there. I beg. Hello. What do you think? Drop off a comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.